All right, everybody, welcome back. This is Roy McQueen from NC Tech-lutions, and this is the last jQuery mobile video before I move on to PhoneGap. And for this one, I'm going to show you how to use the ThemeRoller. First off, the ThemeRoller is a web-based app that allows a user to quickly assemble a theme full of swatches in minutes by pointing, clicking, and dragging. It features an interactive preview so that you can immediately see how your changes affect your theme. Yeah, I just read that. It's a powerful tool, guys, and you should definitely use it. So go ahead and head over to this site right here. Now, on the primary interface, you have four main areas. You have the preview, you have the color, inspector, and tools. Now, the preview area will present three complete identical and interactive jQuery mobile pages, packed with functional widgets. And you have the header of each page that contains a letter indicating which swatch control its appearance. That, whew, I've been doing these videos for a long time, and I am tired. But anyways, the header of each page contains a letter indicating the swatch controls and its appearance that you have for that swatch. So at the top of the page, you'll see a series of color chips along with two slider controls and a toggle button. Further to the right, you see another 20 blank chips. These will contain the recently used colors, and it will be empty until you select a color. Now, each of the color chips can be dragged into, or I should say onto, any element within the preview area. On the far left of the interface is the inspector panel that allows you to exercise fine-grained control over your theme. And at the very top of the page are a series of buttons. Now, these buttons allow you to perform a variety of tasks, which we'll cover in a minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a theme and use it in our app. A good thing that they allow us to do is to start from the default theme that we already are using in our app. So click Import, and in the top right, select Import Default Theme, and then import it. Now let's change some colors. After we're satisfied, go to the download zip and download it, either to your desktop or a folder, and unzip the contents. Now, back in our project, let's create a theme folder inside of our CSS folder. Now we want to drag our theme into the theme folder. Now we have to reference our custom theme and the icon CSS file. We go ahead and reference that inside the head of our index.html. Now you want to make sure you do this right before the jQuery mobile CSS file reference. Now, one last thing to do is, before this will work, so we have to use the jQuery mobile structure CSS file. Instead of the default one that we've been using, we want to use the jQuery mobile structure CSS. And this is inside of our jQuery mobile folder. And as you see, when we run, okay, And as you see, when we run it in Chrome, we have the theme that we created. So let's go back and change the home page to our theme to B. And you can see the difference. Okay guys, that'll do it for this video. Next, we will finally get into PhoneGap. So I'll see you then.